In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove frame from Facebook profile picture. So I'm starting here on Facebook, and the first thing I'm doing is heading up to the top right corner and clicking on my profile picture. Once that menu opens, I'm clicking my profile picture again so it takes me straight to my profile. Now I'm on my profile page and I'm moving my mouse right over the profile picture. As soon as I hover there, I can see the option to update it, so I'm clicking update profile picture. Now the update window opens, and this is where I can switch out the picture that currently has the frame on it. At this point, I'm choosing a new photo either from my uploads, or I can click upload photo if I want to bring in a different one from my computer. I'm just picking the photo I want to use and letting it load into the preview. Once it shows up, I'm taking a second to look at it and make sure it's the one I actually want on my profile before I keep going. Now this next part is the important part if the goal is to remove the frame. I'm making sure no frame is selected, so I'm not clicking add frame. And I'm not choosing any frame option here, I'm just leaving it as a regular photo with no frame added. That's really what removes the framed look, because instead of reusing the old framed version, I'm replacing it with a normal profile picture and not applying any frame on top of it. So I'm just checking the preview and making sure it looks clean with no border or extra design around it. Once that looks right, I can adjust the photo if I need to. So I'm moving it around a little, checking the crop, and making sure the picture is centered the way I want. Nothing too complicated here, I'm just getting the photo to look right in the profile picture preview. If it already looks good, then I can leave it as it is and move on. Now that everything looks the way I want, all that's left is to click save, or on some screens it may say use as profile picture. So I'm clicking that now, and that applies the new profile picture without a frame. And that's it, the frame is gone. So I'm just moving through it again the same way on screen. I open Facebook, click my profile picture at the top right, click it again to go to my profile, hover over the profile picture, and choose update profile picture, select a new photo from my uploads, or click upload photo, make sure no frame is selected, adjust the photo if needed, and then click save or use as profile picture. Once that final button is pressed, the profile picture updates and the frame is removed.